Welcome back to another episode on this somewhat fast Solex. We will try to do somewhat of a bigger test run so we can see how this thing reacts when it gets hot or cold or whatever. We have a new fuel pump from a trade yard, so I'm going to quickly swap these. Hopefully this thing just works and we can go for a spin. So we just got back from our test drive. This thing drives great. So managed to clock it out at 36 kilometers an hour, which is actually pretty fast for a Solex. This is still a bicycle with an engine on the front wheel, so it's pretty nice, but there's definitely more in it. So future upgrades that I will be looking into is a bigger carb. So this thing now has a 6mm carburetor, and I think you have them in 9mm as well, and a bigger exhaust. That should also improve the power of this engine. The new fuel pump works wonders. The carb is no longer running out of fuel, which is awesome. Yeah, this thing is really a blast to drive. I think it looks great with the white walls and a bit of the rat look. I am still looking for a front headlight, or a solution for a front headlight, so that will also be in a video, and to fix the electricity so I have a rear light as well. Thank you very much for watching this series. If you liked it, consider subscribing for more, and leaving a like if you really liked it. We still got some other plans for the garage, which will be pretty interesting, so definitely stay tuned. That will be it for now for this series, but there is more to come later on. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.